Namaste everyone, this is Ashu here. Thank you so much for coming to this video. Today we are going to focus on spine flexibility for twisting and backbends both. So stay tuned till the end. Sit in a comfortable pose like Padmasana, Sukhasana or simple cross leg. Then bring your both palms front, lock your fingers, turn your palm ceiling side and stretch your arms in Tadasana. Exhale slowly, release your fingers, bring your right palm down, bend your right elbow and extend your left arm up. Then inhale, come up and exhale, switch other side. Inhale, come up, bring your both palms up. Exhale, change. Inhale, come up and exhale, change. While going down, please make sure your opposite knee should not lift up. Inhale, come up. Now keep your right palm on your left knee, left palm back. Exhale, twist, look back. Make sure you're not leaning back. Inhale, look front, both palms up. Exhale, change. Inhale, come up again, look front. Exhale, change. Inhale, come up and exhale, change. Now bring your both palms up. Exhale, right palm down in cup shape. Then walk right side, press your right elbow down and extend your left arm. Now check your knee again, your opposite knee should not lift up. Inhale, come up, both palms up and exhale, change. Inhale, come up, exhale, go right side again. Inhale, come up, exhale, change. Inhale, come up. Touch your fingertips down, walk forward, try to touch your forehead on the mat. Inhale, walk back, bring your both palms up. Now keep your both palms side according to your mat and then come into cat and cow pose. Now check your palms should be just under your shoulders. Your fingers should spread properly and same with your knees. Your knees should be aligned with your palms. Then take deep breath in, make arch in your back, look up. Exhale, look down, make hunch in your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up, make arch in your back. Exhale, look down, make hunch in your back. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Look up, make arch in your back. Exhale down, touch your knee with your nose. Inhale, come up and change your leg. Exhale down, touch your knee with your nose. Inhale, come up, change your leg again, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, come up and exhale, change. Now inhale, look up, make arch in your back again. Exhale, look down. Inhale, lift your right palm up sideways, open your chest, look at your palm, take deep breath. Now exhale, down to your left arm, then keep your left arm straight. Try keeping your hip same, twist your spine. Now inhale, lift your left palm up, exhale, press back. Inhale, come up, make arch in your back. Exhale, look down, make hunch. Inhale, come up, make arch in your back again. And exhale, look down. Now inhale, lift your right palm up sideways, look at your palm, open your chest, take deep breath. Exhale, down to your left arm. Keeping the hips same, make your right arm straight. Then inhale, right palm up. Exhale, press back, twist your spine. Inhale, come up. Look up, make arch in your back. Exhale, look down, make hunch. Inhale, come up, make arch in your back again. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, look down. Now inhale, press your hip forward, come for Cobra pose. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest. Exhale, come back for child pose. Inhale, come up again, Cobra pose. Tuck your toes inside and come up for mountain pose. Inhale, Cobra pose. Exhale, go back in mountain pose. Lift your heels up, make arch in your back, come for Cobra pose. And exhale, lie down. Now keep your both palms beside your face. Take deep breath in. Inhale, lift your chest up, roll your shoulders back, come for Cobra pose. Exhale slowly down. Inhale, make cup shape in your fingers, rolling your shoulders back, come up for Cobra pose again. Exhale slowly down. Then move your palms back beside your neck. Inhale, roll your shoulders, lift your chest up. Exhale down. Make cup shape in your fingers. Inhale, come up again. Exhale down. Now both palms back again beside your chest. Inhale, up, roll your shoulders, lift your chest up. Exhale down. Make cup shape in your fingers again. Inhale, come up. Cobra pose. Release your both palms back and relax. Now slowly slide back to child pose. And then come up for mountain pose. Bring your right leg front, pressing the hip forward, and now check your knee. Your knee and ankle should be in one line. Then bring your both palms back, lock your fingers, roll your shoulders back, deep breath. And then exhale, release, both palms down, leg back, mountain pose. Touch your knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, chest up, back in mountain pose. Change your leg, left leg front, your both palms back again, lock your fingers. Roll your shoulders back, look up, open your chest. Exhale, release, both palms down, leg back again. Touch your knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, back in mountain pose. Bring your right leg front, both palms up, arch in your back. Exhale, both palms down, leg back in mountain pose. Touch your knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, back in mountain pose. Change your leg. Both palms up again, arch in your back. Exhale, bring your both leg front. Go full forward. Slowly bend your knees, hip down and roll back. Start rolling front and back 4 to 5 times. And then lie down on your back. Prepare for Chakrasana. Bring your both heels close to your hip and then roll your arms back under your shoulders. Take deep breath in. Exhale, lift your hip up, your shoulders up and slowly come for Chakrasana. Hold for your breath and then slowly down. Roll again front and back 4 to 5 times. Now slowly inhale, come up, hug your thighs, look up, spine straight. Take deep breath in. Exhale, make hunch in your back and rest your forehead on your knees. Inhale, head up again, make your spine straight. Exhale, look down, rest your head on your knees, make hunch in your back. Now inhale, head up. Grab your big toe with your front two fingers. Look up again, make your spine straight. Exhale, slowly make your both knees straight. Go forward in Paschimottanasana. Keep your head up, look front. Inhale, come up again, spine straight, look up. Exhale down, go Paschimottanasana, head down. Inhale, come up again, both palms up. Now keep your palms side. Slowly go down, touch your nose on the mat. Inhale, come up, change other side. Inhale up, exhale, go right side. Keep trying to press your left hip down. Inhale, come up. Inhale, both palms down. Lift your leg up, roll back to Halasana. Make your leg straight. You can keep your both palms on your back. Then slowly make your leg straight in Sarvangasana. And then bend your knees and rest your spine on the mat very easily, very slowly. Lie down in Pavan Muktasana. And then slowly release your body, rest in Shavasana. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from this. If you want me to make video on any other topic, you can comment. Thank you so much.